Stop! If you want to reduce your body tan in just 7 days, then this video is for you. And I know, many of you watching this are teenagers, so I'm not going to tell you. Buy this product. Apply that expensive cream? No. I'm only going to share the remedies that actually work and the ones I personally trust. And the best part, you don't have to waste even a single penny unnecessarily. So let's get started with Chapter 1, My Secret DIY Tan. Removal Remedy. Take a bowl, add half a cup of rice flour, then add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Next, squeeze the oil from 5 Vitamin E capsules. Now add half a cup of coffee powder. And finally, half a cup of gram flour, Besan. Now mix everything really well until it becomes a smooth paste. Apply the scrub to the tanned areas of your body and gently massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off with normal water. But remember, one application won't create magic. If you use it 2 to 3 times a week, consistently, you'll gradually notice your tan fading and your skin looking smoother, softer, and brighter. And yes, this was only Chapter 1. There are still more powerful remedies coming that you probably haven't heard before. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and siblings. I'll see you in Chapter 2.